Omajo klaso chike county NYAMIRA oyudo kony mar basaris maromo $66,000 kowuok kuom gavana ma county no Amos Nyaribo mar konyo gi chulo omenda mag somo. Nyaribo lero ni dwaro mar sirikal ma county NYAMIRA en siro chenro mag somo e skunde sekondar molot ne jopuonjre mawuok e anyuola ma onge kod nyalo. Gino mosir gi jokanyo mag county NYAMIRA. Jopuonjre moyudo kony mar basaris bende ojiw mondo obed joluor kendo giti matek e kinde ma gin e skul mondo gidhi nyime gi yudo kony ma kamago.
Today we are here to launch bursaries for Form 1 and Form 2 worth 66 million. Our people are too poor. Most of them are in day schools, and even if it's a national government function, we have to intervene because it's we who knows where the stone pinches.
Apart from national government devolved funds that are also used to empower students through bursaries, we really want to appreciate the county government of NYAMIRA for having considered the most vulnerable girls and boys who are also needy.
I want to appreciate your support to our children in terms of bursary funds. And I want to appeal that let these funds be distributed throughout this county. Let every corner of this county feel your support.
Wasasi wanasumbuka sana kutafuta pesa. Hata kupata 2,000 ni kazi ngumu.